Welcome back with a new problem number 17. This is integration e to the power x into x minus 4 by x minus 2 whole cube dx. E to the power x, here x minus 4 can be thought of as x minus 2 minus 2 and then x minus 2 whole cube, then dx. Let us split from here, then you get 1 by x minus 2 whole square minus 2 by x minus 2 whole cube dx. Look, if you consider this as fx, this is your f dash x. Take it. ddx of 1 by x minus 2 whole square, that is ddx of x minus 2 to the power minus 2. So this will be minus 2 x minus 2 to the power minus 3 into 1. So finally you get minus 2 by x minus 2 whole cube. This is your f dash x. So your substitution will be, let e to the power x by x minus 2 whole square as z, do differential. Here you will get integration dz. This results to z plus c. This results to e to the power x by x minus 2 whole square plus c. This is your answer. Next question, number 18. Integration tan of ln x plus x square of ln x then dx. Here also e to the power x is missing. So you have to take first, let ln x equals to u, that gives you x equals to e to the power u. So dx is e to the power u du. So here the integral becomes tan of u sec square of u dx is e to the power u du. Look, this is f u, then this is f dash u. So your next substitution is, let e to the power u into tan u as z, do differential. Here ultimately you get integration dz, that is z plus c, that is e to the power u into tan u plus c, that is e to the power u is x, tan u, that is tan of ln x plus c. This is your final answer. Next, let us give some homework. Simple question. You can do at your own. Homework. Integration e to the power x into sin x cos x minus 1 divided by sin square x dx. Your answer is e to the power x into cot x plus c. Next homework, e to the power x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Look, if this is fx, this is f dash x. So it is cool that your answer will be e to the power x tan inverse x plus c. Next question, 21. Integration e to the power 2x minus sin x plus 2 cos x dx. First, let us make this 2x as u. Let 2x equals to u, then dx will be half du. So the integral becomes half integration e to the power u minus sin x is u by 2 plus 2 cos u by 2 du. Now look, if you consider this as fu, then what is its derivative? d du of minus sin of u by 2. If it is minus, then how can it be? Minus cos of u by 2 into half. No. So our choice will be reversed. d du of 2 cos of u by 2, then 2, this is minus sin u by 2 and then half, this becomes minus sin of u by 2. Okay, so here this is your fu, this is f dash u. Okay, so you have to first check which one can be taken as fu. So here your substitution will be, let e to the power u into 2 cos of u by 2 as z, do differential, you will get half integration dz half z plus c. So answer will be half. Z is e to the power u into 2 cos of u by 2 plus c. These two cancelled. E to the power u, that is e to the power 2x into cos of x plus c. So this will be your answer. E to the power 2x. This is x. Next question. Integration e to the power x into root over of 1 minus x square into sin inverse x plus 1 divided by root over of 1 minus x square. Let me change my chalk. okay, 1 minus x square dx. Let us split this from here. E to the power x, this will be sin inverse x plus 1 by root to the power of 1 minus x square dx. Look, if this is fx, this is f dash x, so your substitution will be, let e to the power x sin inverse x as z, do differential. Here you will get integration dz, so z plus c, so e to the power x into sin inverse x plus c. This will be your answer. Next. Integration e to the power x by x, then x into ln x whole square plus 2 ln x dx. Push this 1 by x inside the bracket, then you get to the power x. Here it is ln x whole square, then 2 by x ln x dx. If you choose this as fx, then what will be its derivative? Check it. dx of ln x whole square. This will be 2 ln x into 1 by x. This is here. So your substitution will be, let e to the power x into ln x whole square is z, do differential. You will get integration dz, this will be z plus c. So finally your answer will be, what is z? Z is e to the power x into ln x whole square plus c. This will be your answer. Next question will be left as homework because similar type question I have solved before. Number 24, integration e to the power x into ln x plus 1 by x square dx. Here the trick is you have to add 1 by x and subtract 1 by x. So your answer will be e to the power x into ln x minus 1 by x plus c. This is homework. Next question. Integration root over of 1 minus sin x by 1 plus cos x into e to the power minus x by 2 then dx. Let minus x by 2 as u, then x will be minus 2u, then dx will be minus 2 du. Minus 2, I am writing it outside the integral sign. Next write this e to the power u, and then root over of 1 minus sine of x is minus 2u divided by 1 plus cos x is minus 2u, and then du. This becomes minus 2 integration e to the power u. Sine of minus 2 is minus sine 2u, so 1 plus sine 2u. Root over of this is cos u plus sine u. This is 1 plus cos 2u. 1 plus cos 2u means 2 cos square u. Then du. Now this becomes this 2 cancelled, minus integration e to the power u. This becomes 1 by sec u. First write sec u. Cos u by cos square u, that is sec u. Then this is sec u tan u. Good. Look, this is f u, this is f dash u. So your next substitution will be left e to the power u sec u. As z do differential, you get minus integration dz. You get minus z plus c. So finally your answer is minus e to the power u sec u plus c. Then you have to go back from u to x. So your final answer will be minus e to the power u, that is e to the power minus x by 2, then sec u, sec of minus x by 2 plus c. So finally answer will be minus e to the power x by 2 sec of x by 2 plus c. Next question. Integration e to the power x into 1 plus x by 2 plus x whole square, then dx. I am writing this as e to the power x. Now x plus 1 can be thought of as x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square, then dx. Integration e to the power x, this by this, that is 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square dx. Look, this is fx, this is f dash x. So your solution will be, let e to the power x by x plus 2 as z, do differential, you will get integration dz, this will be z plus c. So answer is e to the power x by x plus 2 plus c. Next question, 27. Integration e to the power x into sine 4x minus 4 by 1 minus cos 4x dx. e to the power x. What is sin 4x? Sin 4x is 2 sin 2x cos 2x minus 4. 1 minus cos 4x is 2 sin square 2x dx. This becomes e to the power x. This is cot of 2x, and this is 2 cosec square 2x dx. Look, this is fx, this is f dash x. So your substitution will be, let e to the power x cot of 2x as z, do differential, you will get integration dz, that is z plus c, that is z is e to the power x cot of 2x plus. This is your final answer. Let us have a short break. After the break, I am coming with the remaining problems of this form. Till then, be there.